welcome back to my channel. So I just thought I would do a quick video of a first impression on the lovingtan 2-Hour Express self tanner. So if you're interested in that or have any questions, feel free to keep watching. Thanks. What's up everybody, welcome back. So I just thought I would do a quick first impression video of the lovingtan. So this one is the 2-Hour Express tan in the color dark. I have never used lovingtan in the past, so I'm really excited to give it a whirl, check it out. In the past I've always used the Saint Tropez as well as the Vita Liberata. I don't know how to pronounce that. Anyways, I've loved these two in the past, but I just want to try something new. I've seen loads on Instagram, which I'm sure you guys have too. So I thought I'd give this a whirl. So this is before the tan. I am going to shower and then I will put this on and apply it. And I'll come back once it's on and I'll let you know what I think of it. Alright, so I'm back from applying the self tanner. I do think it went on pretty good. However, around my neck and area, I found that dried up really quick. It kind of looked blotchy. So fingers crossed after I shower, it all looks smooth and works out good. There is not a distinct smell to the tan. So that's really nice. I know some self tanners have kind of a gross, smelly after smell. So thank goodness for that. Also, it did dry down very nicely. I don't feel sticky at all, which is great. Just so I can start doing my makeup and everything and get ready for the day. Otherwise, this color looks nice so far. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm excited to see how it develops after the next 2 hours. Hopefully it goes down pretty dark. I did see that it can take up to 6 hours to develop with the 2-Hour Express. So after you shower off, I guess it continues developing, which is great. I did apply it with the Saint Tropez tanning mitt just because that's what I own. I know that lovingtan has a velvet tanning mitt. I haven't got that yet, but I'll make sure to buy it and try it out, see the difference there. Maybe it'll help the blotchiness. Who knows? I'm just hoping that when I wash it off, it'll just blend. But otherwise, yeah, I'm happy with the color so far. Yeah, see you in 2 hours when I showered off. Hello, so it's now been 4 or 5 hours since I put the tan on. I've since had a shower, washed it all off. I'm really happy with the color. I do feel like it did develop really nicely. It's, yeah, not sticky. There's not really bad scent to it. My neck did all blend out everywhere that I was concerned with, so that's awesome. And in the meantime, I filmed a kind of smoky nude eye as well as a Bellamy first impression video, so be on the lookout for those and don't forget to check them out. Thanks.